5 reasons most Nigerian developers struggle to land international role. Number 3 will shock you, and I will be telling you how to fix that. Hello everyone, my name is Adeboye David. I'm a software engineer with over 15 years of practical experience. So briefly, I will be discussing with you 5 reasons why most developers and people in tech struggle to land international tech roles and how you can mitigate against that. Number 1, learning many things at a time and mastering none. This is common with Nigerian developers and tech people. You keep jumping from a stack to another, jumping from one platform to another. You want to be a mobile dev today, you want to be a web dev tomorrow, you want to be DevOps today, you want to be data science tomorrow. All of this is making you a jack of trade and master of none. This is not what most international companies are looking for. They are looking for someone who is a one-stop shop for every problem in that particular niche. If they should get to you, you're a Python developer, they want to be sure that everything related to Python, to framework in Python, you are able to handle it, or you pick a particular framework in Python. Take for example Django, you are master of Django to the last. Any problem from Django, you are able to handle and fix that. This is where most tech people have found one thing, and I believe you can improve yourself in this regard. Number 2, building a project that does not solve real-time problem. A lot of Nigerian developers are still building weather app in 2026. A lot of people are still building to-do list. A lot of people are still building calculator, and some projects, they are fine by themselves, but these are not what real recruiters are looking for. They are looking for someone who have get their hands dirty on real-time problems. They have fixed real-time problems. When they check your portfolio, they should be able to see real-time problem you fix, a real project you have created, team collaboration, what you worked on that actually fix a real-time problem. This is what most international companies are looking for. They are not looking for another beginners to join their team. Rather, they are looking for an experienced hands to join their working team so as to hire you and make you one of the team. Now to number 3, I promise you, poor communication skill. You are guilty of this? Yes. A lot of developers, a lot of tech people have poor communication skill. A mail will be sent to you for over 5-6 days, is yet to be attended to. A lot of messages on your inbox you are not attending to. No priority given to messages, to communicating with either your recruiter or people you are working with. Most international companies, immediately you apply, it sends you a mail. Most people take ages to respond to this mail. This is part of your screening process. They are watching out how frequent you check your mail, how frequent you handle incoming mails, how frequent you handle communication, and a lot of people do not know how to actually express themselves during communication. During interview, you are shy, you are not speaking out. Your communication skill, how you express yourself, how you present yourself, how you show yourself and what you have. They do not know you from Adams, but the way you express yourself, you unpack the box, tells them exact person you are and able to fix their gaze on what you have in stock. So you have to improve your communication skills, how you talk, how you present yourself, how you showcase what you've got to the world. Number 4, applying randomly without positioning yourself. A lot of people apply for different job roles. Today you are applying for front-end engineer, tomorrow you are applying for back-end engineer, next day you are applying for data analyst role, day that follows you are applying for an AI and machine learning engineer. You are not actually placing yourself or positioning yourself for a particular job role, for a particular niche. This has a lot to tell from your CV, from your portfolio. If you are experiencing this, experiencing that, experiencing this in different roles, this is telling so many things about you, but leading you to nowhere on their list. You have to position yourself. You have to place your CV on something you really want to be employed for. If you want to apply for front-end engineer, let your CV carry everything about front-end engineer. If you want to apply for back-end engineer, let your CV carry everything about back-end engineer. By doing this, you are strategically placing yourself to the next role. Number 5, ignoring global standard and professionalism. A lot of developers still work today as if they are working with a client. A lot of developer today doesn't know what a company SOP is, how to work with team. You are still working like a one-man developer or an engineer. You must strategically position yourself as someone that can work with teams of developers, teams of people in a company. This will tell your recruiter a whole lot of things about you. When your recruiter check your codes, they will be able to say, this is an unorganized developer. This developer does not know how to write code with documentation. The way you write your every line of code, every area of code, every function, there should be a comment that explains what your code does and all of that. So while you look at these 5 things we've discussed today, you know where you have found one thing, go back to your CV, dust it, go back to your code base and your IDs and start repositioning yourself for international roles. I hope to see you on your next role. But till then, keep building, keep shaping, catch you on the next one.